Today in this video I show you how to turn off background noise on iPhone. For this you have to open settings. Now scroll down to find accessibility. Open accessibility. Now scroll down to find hearing section. Open audio visual. Now you can see background sounds. You have to open it. Now if this toggle is turned on, then you have to turn it off, and after doing this your background noise will turn off. So this is how you can turn off background noise on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.